See how he gulps and swallows? Oh, Vanessa, you're helping out so much. He won't look at me now. Pavlov, you've been doing some vomiting and you've been eating some stuff you shouldn't have. Oh my. Always turns his head away when the light comes on for the camera. It must be too bright for your little eyes, is it, buddy? A little bit, but before I turned on the camera, it was very pronounced. No.